Merry Christmas, Stormy and Monty. These are my two cockatiels in their cage. I'm going to give them their Christmas present. And this one's Stormy. Hi, Stormy. You can stay there. You can't wait for your toy, eh? And this one's Monty. Okay? Santa came by and gave you a present. Look at that. You like it? Yeah. It's all nice, huh? Where would you like me to put it? I know you already spoiled. You had so many gifts already. Oh, maybe I could put it back here. We can go forage for it. How about that? Do you like it? Yeah? What? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You can come out later, okay? You're going to come out later. Monty? Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas. Who's a good boy?